Alrighty guys, so after getting the new wheels on, taking it for a drive, I had a suspension service light come on, and for that reason we're going through all the four corners here and checking them to make sure that no tires kind of got in the way and ended up getting damaged. So I'm not sure what it could be, but checking it out right now. Definitely loving the new wheels and how the car is feeling with them, but this issue obviously something I got to take care of. So yeah, I mean, I just checked those two wheels, we're fine. There's a little bit of rub in the back from the fender getting in the way, fender liner, but other than that, wheels are clearing just fine and they look amazing. So yeah, I'm about to do this real quick. You can get up to like what? Sit on there. Yeah. That's how it must feel to be a NASCAR.
Except you would have been fired by now.
Yeah, fired. Well, I don't see anything. That's the thing. Must be that back wheel then. You see anything? I don't know. Connectors? No. Yeah, everything's fine. Nothing shows big wear marks.
No. Top spoke and bottom spoke. And it'll line up real easy.
Right there? Just a little bit?
Yeah, I guess. There it is. There it is. Starting to feel like a real NASCAR driver here.
Don't loosen it up before it goes away? No.
You're okay, good. Don't have to worry about that. Starting to let the nuts fly. Starting to let the nuts fly. Getting some confidence.
You inspired confidence in me. This reminds me of why I got an American muscle car, because they're supposed to handle this shit. I don't gotta be super sensitive like I do with German cars. Right?
No.
There is our problem.
Oh, yep. Cut right through the sensor.
Alright.
At least you have a reason.
Yep.
That's what counts.
Yeah, that's 3 wires. Okay guys, so after taking the wheel off, it was actually this corner right here that was causing the issue. This wire, as you can see there, is clearly just cut off. And this probably happened because on the back of the wheel there's a sensor that ended up splicing through this connection, and that pretty much shuts down the whole system. The car is no longer adjustable. I'm not even sure what setting the spring is this strut is in, so that's an issue there. We're gonna go ahead and try to fix it right now by splicing through the wires here, and hopefully it works again. So here we go. A little finicky. Okay guys, so here's the issue. This was obviously cut, so I'm putting it back together here, and as you can see, I got some heat shrink tubing that we're going to put on top of it, some zip ties so we can move it out of the way. And I'm attempting right now to connect all the wires back together. Very sticky.
You just fucking pull it apart.
Man.
I pull it. I cut it before you tape it.
Cut what?
The tape.
Well, I was
so
gonna
you just have a little section of tape, and then you just.
I was gonna do this like first round, and the next round like grab another one.
Oh Jesus Christ! All right.
Yeah, redneck engineering. You don't think it's gonna work?
It'll work.
It's not gonna look pretty.
No, because it'll be covered by heat shrink wrap anyway, so it doesn't matter. I just wrap them individually that way. There's no risk of them touching each other.
Yeah. Come on.
Jesus, fuck, squeeze that more.
Massage. Well, I mean, like,
Fuck it.
it's pretty sealed.
Send it.
Alrighty, guys, so the fix is complete. I don't know if it works yet. I gotta turn the car on, but before that, we're gonna go ahead and hit that heat shrink tubing with some heat. Check out the magic that's about to go down. Okay, no magic.
You'll be fine.
Let me just.
Hold it in one place. It usually takes a second.
Well, the wind is not really helping. Yeah, that's gonna help. Ow.
That's good.
My-
That's good. You good.
And that's what you call OEM fix right there.
Oh Jesus Christ.
If your dealership doesn't do this kind of work, you need to find yourself a new dealer.
Zip ties, electrical tape, and heat shrink wrap, guys.
Straight OEM.
That's how Rush does it. Up, up, yep, right there. Yep.
Should I see if it works?
Yeah, turn it on.
Alright. Oh, I'm so happy. Anytime I don't have to go to the dealership, I'm just a happy person. God, I hate going to the dealership.
I'm like Tavares, I am the warranty.
Let's see if there's any messages stored. My door is open. All right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Woo! I'm a happy camper. No messages stored. That seemed to be the issue. Now we can proceed to putting the wheels back on and going for a proper test drive. Oh, okay. One more thing. Once you put new wheels on, they will rub. So you will need to bend this backwards, just like I'm about to do here. So you just go ahead, kind of bend it back and out of the way, and that'll make sure that you don't have any rubbing issues. This one, I'm not sure if I can do anything about it here. So maybe just keep it like that for now. Might just end up cutting this. So there was a little rubbing right here. I bent this back. I could cut it, but I'm gonna leave it for now. And a little bit here, so I'm gonna go ahead and bend this back as well. Here we go. And there's a little bit of rubbing up there, but nothing too bad. Alright, cool. The wheel goes back on, and we're gonna just make sure the other side is not gonna have the same issue.
Good. I'm just gonna pull the wire backwards a little bit. All right. Yeah, it's far away from the wheel now.
It was close?
No, not really. I just made sure it wouldn't have an issue. Yeah, you should be good.
Title of this video: broke my SRT. Go for it. Yes, forward, forward.
Stop in the shade.
Yeah, move it up the street a little bit.
Watch your feet.
Watch out.
Watch your feet.
Yeah, get up.